Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily save a screenshot of a YouTube video using desktop. So let's say, for example, we go over here. Let's open this in a new tab. And let's, for example, we're looking around over here. Let's say, let's go over to the highest settings. Unfortunately, this is the highest settings. So let's try frame here. Let's say maybe this one. We like this. So let's just right click and again right click the second time. As you can see, you can save. You can see the save here and also the copy. So let's save this. Okay, and as you can see, this is now the image that we saved. Unfortunately, this is a lot small video. Let's try a bigger one. Maybe let's just do this.
So yan, good morning and good day sa inyo mga
Sorry.
brother, and this is your man Yonats TV here.
Let's do another one here. Maybe this one. Just save this. Okay. And as you can see, this is the save video. Image. Unfortunately, there's no. Let's try looking for an HD one. These videos are very low quality. I think this one is good. Okay, I think this is good. So let's save this. And let's open this. As you can see, this is a good one. Go to 100%. So this is the full size of the video. And yeah, so that's it. That's how you save a screenshot of a YouTube video. That's all. Thank you.